You're receiving the CyberStreams System Update, your daily bite of cyber news. My name is Matt Cordell, and I'm the COO of CyberStreams. We are your neighborhood IT department. Today's update, how technology improves business growth. It's essential for any industry in the modern market to know how technology improves business growth. From reaching new clients to streamlining operations, the benefits and possibilities are endless. A century ago, technology consisted of the electric blender in the kitchen and a few traffic lights on the road. Now people rely on technology for almost everything, from cleaning the house to making an important purchase. Given the universality of technology in our lives, it's more important than ever for businesses to embrace it as the norm. This is especially true for small businesses, since only 50% remain operational for over 5 years. Technology improves business growth in more ways than one. So with the right applications, entrepreneurs can take their business to new heights. Although it's certainly not without its challenges, technology has changed how we do business, which means companies of any size must leverage these opportunities to scale and maintain a competitive advantage. I've put together 3 takeaways and next steps. First, create more efficient operations. Every business owner wants to do what they can to streamline operations and increase overall efficiency. Without the right technology, small business owners must be more hands-on with multiple operations, stretching their already tight budgets and schedules. Thankfully, several types of technology can automate various tasks, like sending out promotional emails, so business owners can spend more time working on other crucial areas of their business. 2. Improve customers' experiences. When learning how technology improves business growth, business owners will quickly realize that one of the most important benefits it brings is improving the customer experience. Although nothing can replace human interaction, technology can automate certain types of communication and keep clients in the know. For example, cloud-based customer relationship management, or CRM software, can help employees find important customer information quicker and even send clients appointment reminders. And 3, reach new customers faster and find new markets. Thanks to global adoption of mobile technology and the internet, potential customers can search for new products whenever they want and make purchases faster. Being active on social media and having a well-designed website makes it easier to reach new customers and introduce products or services to a significantly wider audience. All those lines, companies can find new markets and grow product lines faster by strategically leveraging the power of digital marketing and social media. For more information on this story or how CyberStreams can help you understand your CyberFit score using our proprietary CyberFit assessment, check out the description or comments accompanying this content. This concludes your CyberStreams system update, and this is Matt Cordell signing off.